Hey everybody, Wire here. It's been a couple weeks. I've been kind of busy and I've been under the weather for the last 10 days anyway. I don't know what's going on. As far as the radio that I started about 4 or 5 weeks ago, I don't think I'm going to pursue that. It's just going to cost me way too much money to get it going, and I can't seem to find another IF transformer for it. By the time I pay for tubes and an IF transformer and what else ever I'm going to need, I probably could wind up buying one already refurbished. So we're going to put that on the wayside, and I do feel I owe you guys a radio restoration. I do have a radio that we'll be working on in the next couple weeks, and I do have all the parts for that. It's not as involved as the one that we started a month ago. So we're going to just continue with our regular videos. What we're going to do today is I picked this up. It's a old Kraeuter round needle nose pliers. I use these for doing electronics. So we're going to clean this up. I don't know how much I paid for it. I got in a lot of stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, here it is, all wire brushed. Turned out really nice. Says Kraeuter USA. Well, Kraeuter 1611-5.5 inches. Now I had to take this outside because the lighting inside the shed is really bad. As you can see, it says Kraeuter 1611-5.5. It's a 5.5 inch pliers. It also has Kraeuter USA on the inside on both handles, and it's got these really nice embellishments on the handles too. So we're going to polish this up a little bit. It looks like somebody used this for a hammer. There's some divots in here. Why would anybody want to use this for a hammer? And there's some pitting here too, but it looks like somebody tried to hit something with this. Anyway, let's get this all buffed up and shined up, and let's see what it looks like afterwards. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're all done. Turned out really, really nice. Turned out not mirror finish, but I don't like mirror finish anyway. Seems like it gets too many fingerprints, but it turned out real nice. I like this. This is going to go in my work box. I'm going to use these. There's time to time. These really come in handy for when I'm working on car ignition locks. When I got to pull the ignition lock and get the wafers out, I can pull the wafers out with this without damaging them. Whereas regular needle nose, it's serrated, and I'll wind up screwing them up, the wafers on that. So these aren't serrated, nice and round, so these are going to come in handy. And yeah, these turned out real nice. I don't know what I'm going to have in my next video. I've got an old antique lamp that I want to restore. It's a 4-standing lamp. I got it really cheap at the flea market. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that next or jump on this radio that I have. But anyway, we'll get to that. I'm going to see if I can make it to Jacktown this year. My store is usually open on the weekends. I want to see how business is. If I'm not too busy, I'm probably just going to come up there on the 21st of May, and I'll visit some of you guys. Probably get there probably around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I guess that's what time they open up. I got to look and see. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully I can close the business down and come up there and meet some of you guys. Anyway, fellas, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Have a good one. This is Wire. See ya!